Sum and average are the most commonly used functions in Excel. If we want to create a total here, we can use the function sum is equal to sum, and we can select the data from the left, sum, and here we can enter it. So this is a total, but there is a faster way to do this. We can use the auto sum feature of Excel. We can go to the home tab. It has a shortcut also, alt and equal. Now we can put the cell I3 and we can press alt equal. This is the result. Excel understands what we want to do. We can simply enter to get the result, or we can simply select the cell we want to find the total and click the auto sum function. This is also faster. We can add also from different places, like from this table and that table. We can point any where, like here, around here, and we can press alt in equal. Now we can select the cells we want to add together and press enter. Here is the result. We can find the average also from this drop down. We can go to auto sum, and here is the average. We can select also the maximum or the minimum here if we want it to do. So it's great.